Hi, it's me Iffy Angler and you're watching Iffy Angler TV. Today topic we will talk about shore angling setup or its component. For shore angling or shore fishing, the first thing we need to focus on is a rod. Rod for shore angling or shore fishing should be a carbon rod, two pieces from the middle, and it can be mentioned on it a shore jigging rod, a sea bass rod, or an edging rod. Second thing is a reel, which is called a reel or a machine. For shore fishing or shore angling, a reel should be a compact size, and the spool size for the reel should be 1000 size till 4000 size in between. Third and important component in shore angling is a line. Line for angling or shore fishing should be PE braided line. PE stands for polyester line, which is braided in multiple times. These PE lines are braided 4 times, 8 times, 12 times, etc., which is called X4, X8, X12, etc. The fourth item what we need for our angling setup is a fluorocarbon line. A fluorocarbon line is a transparent one. In this fluorocarbon we need to choose according the thickness of our PE line. Our fifth item in shore angling what we need is a connector, which having three kinds: a swivel, a snap, or a swivel and snap together, which are coming in different sizes further. We need the size according to our bait which we are using. Our sixth item in angling is an artificial bait. Artificial baits have multiple kinds like lures, jigs, poppers, stick bait, etc. Next we have to have solid ring or split rings. Solid ring and split ring normally come with the baits, but however if like after some time of use it get rust or it's broke or it's open, we have to buy them again for replace it. Solid ring and split ring normally we are using for connect hooks to the lures or assist hook to the jigs, etc. In last, the main and important item in our list for shore angling setup or component is a hook. Angling they having three kinds: single hook, a treble hook, assist hook, which having further more kinds. These hooks, treble hooks, assist hook or single hook, we have to assist with our artificial baits according to the right size, which will match the bait. So all these items what we discussed was the item which we need to build a shore fishing setup for the shore angling. In our next topic we will discuss to choose a right rod for shore angling or shore fishing. Thank you for watching our videos.